Today, we are counting down the best massage guns that can actually help your sore muscles feel better. Most people waste money buying the wrong massage gun that is too weak or too loud. I have seen many people regret their choice after just a few days. The good news is you do not have to make that mistake. In this guide, I will walk you through 5 solid options that balance power, comfort, and value. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so be sure to check them out. Let us get started. Number 5. Best B.O.B. and Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun. This compact massage gun is a great starting point if you want something small and easy to carry. The B.O.B. and Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun stands out because it is designed by well-known physical therapists. That gives it a bit more trust when it comes to muscle care. It feels light in hand and does not cause wrist strain during longer use. The size is perfect for travel. You can easily put in a gym bag or even a backpack. It also runs quietly, which is helpful if you want to use it at home without disturbing others. Many users in the United States prefer quiet devices, especially in shared spaces or apartments. Compact design, quiet operation, USB Type-C charging. The power is decent for daily recovery. It works well on arms, calves, and light back tension. However, if you have very deep muscle knots, you might feel it lacks strong intensity. Still, for beginners or casual users, it does the job well and feels reliable. Number 4. Best SKG Mini Massage Gun Deep Tissue FS700. If you're on a tight budget but still want a useful massage gun, this one is worth a look. The SKG Mini Massage Gun offers solid performance for its price. It has a 10mm amplitude, which means it can reach deeper muscle layers than many cheap options. It feels sturdy despite the lower price. The metal build adds a premium touch, which is not common in this range. It is also lightweight, so you can use it without getting tired quickly. This makes it a good choice for office workers who deal with shoulder and neck tension. Affordable price, deep tissue reach, lightweight body. The speed range is good enough for different needs. You can use low speed for relaxation and higher speed for tight muscles. However, the battery life is average, and it may need frequent charging if used daily. Still, for the price, it delivers strong value and is a smart entry-level option. Number 3. Best RENPHO Active Thermacool 2 Massage Gun. This model brings something different with its heat and cold therapy feature. The RENPHO Active Thermacool 2 Massage Gun is designed for users who want more than just vibration. The heat helps relax muscles, while the cold setting can reduce soreness after workouts. The built-in display is very useful. You can easily check speed, battery, and temperature settings. This makes the device feel modern and easy to control. It is also a good match for people in the United States who follow structured fitness routines and recovery plans. Heat and cold therapy, smart display control, balanced performance. The power level is strong enough for most users. It works well on the back, neck, and shoulders. The only downside is that it is slightly heavier than smaller models, so long sessions may feel tiring. Even then, the added features make it a versatile choice for daily recovery. Number 2. Best Opove Apex Massage Gun. This is a powerful option built for serious recovery. The Opove Apex Massage Gun delivers deep tissue impact with strong force. It is ideal for athletes or people who deal with heavy muscle tension. The 14.5mm amplitude gives it a noticeable advantage in penetration. The handle design is also very smart. It uses a 45-degree grip that reduces wrist strain. This is helpful during longer sessions, especially when targeting hard-to-reach areas. Many fitness users in the United States prefer this kind of ergonomic design for regular use. High power output, ergonomic grip, deep muscle penetration. The device feels solid and well built. However, it is heavier than most compact models. It is not the best for travel or quick use. But if you want strong performance and fast recovery, this is a great option that delivers consistent results. Number 1. Best RENPHO Massage Gun with heat and cold, best pick. This is the best overall choice because it balances features, comfort, and price very well. The RENPHO Massage Gun with heat and cold stands out with its unique loop handle design. This makes it much easier to hold and control compared to standard models. The heat and cold function adds real value. You can relax tight muscles with heat or reduce soreness with cold therapy. This makes it suitable for both daily use and post-workout recovery. It feels like a complete solution rather than just a basic massage gun. Blue panel design, heat and cold therapy, easy full body use. It is also lightweight and portable, which makes it ideal for home or travel. The performance is strong enough for most users without being too aggressive. Some advanced users may want more power, but for the majority, it hits the perfect balance. That is why it earns a top spot. Final verdict. If you want the best overall massage gun, the RENPHO massage gun with heat and cold is the top pick. It offers a smart design, useful therapy features, and reliable performance for everyday use. It feels easy to use and works well for most people. If you need something more powerful for deep muscle recovery, the Opove Apex massage gun is a strong second choice. It is ideal for athletes or intense workouts. Both options are solid depending on your needs. Check the links in the description to see current prices and find the best deal for you.